Inbound Bravo Tango Alpha.
Turkey 9552 Juliet, or 9252 Juliet, Omaha approach, roger, the altimeter 3012.
3012, 52 Juliet.
Omaha approach 6274 Delta with you at 7,500, going to begin descent.
That's speed 825, Omaha approach, descend pilot's discretion, maintain 5,000, expect 14 left. That's 6274 Delta, Omaha approach, the altimeter 3012, altitude at your discretion.
3012, altitude discretion, 74 Delta.
23 Juliet, radar contact 3 east of Blair, make straight in 14 left, verify ATIS Hotel.
Straight in 14 left, and we have Hotel, 23 Juliet.
You got higher, Frontier 185.
Frontier 185, sorry about that, contact Minneapolis Center 128.75, we'll see you.
2875, good day.
5 Whiskey Bravo's looking for lower, got Fremont in sight.
Remember 5 Whiskey Bravo, send to maintain 4,000.
5 Whiskey Bravo, got the 4.
Who else called? Who else called? Three 80 radar contact, direct to Council Bluffs, altitude your discretion. That's 2335 Echo Omaha approach, identity request. Five Echo, maintain VFR at below 3,000, resume on navigation to the VOR, and you want to hold first or do the approach? Five Echo's radar contact 3 east Council Bluffs. Cherokee 23 Juliet, contact Omaha Tower 132.1, good day.
23 Juliet, contact tower, thank you.
Omaha approach, 87 Romeo, headed to Plattsmouth for touch and goes.
87 Romeo, Roger, squawk VFR, change to advisories approved.
Squawk VFR, previous change approved, thanks, 87 Romeo.
Cessna 69 Romeo, altitude at your discretion.
Omaha RV980 Kilo Mike has Millard inside, we can cancel flight following.
0 Kilo Mike, squawk VFR, change to advisories approved, no traffic between you and the field.
Changing to advisory, RV980 Kilo Mike, good day.
M5 Whiskey Bravo, send to maintain 3,000, advise cancellation of IFR this frequency in the air on the ground for flight service, or phone number if you'd rather have that.
No, 5 Whiskey Bravo, I'll just cancel with you now, sir.
5 Whiskey Bravo, IFR cancellation received, squawk VFR change to advisories approved, no traffic between Fremont.
Millard traffic, RV980 Kilo Mike is 10 miles to the west, inbound left pattern, 12 Millard. Oh, I see a balloon over there. Very cool. Wonder if the camera's picking that up. Miller traffic, RV80 Kilo Mike is 5 miles southwest, cross at midfield, full stop 12 Millard.
Altimeter 3012.
Attention Millard traffic. Pilot controlled lighting is out of service. The runway lights and taxiway lights will remain on at the highest intensity. Millard traffic.
Omaha, Millard Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2208 Zulu, weather, wind 150 at 6, visibility here below 12,000, temperature 15 Celsius, dew point 1, altimeter 3012.
Attention Millard traffic. Pilot controlled lighting is out of service. The runway lights and taxiway lights will remain on at the highest intensity. Millard traffic.
Omaha, Millard Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 2209er Zulu, weather, wind 150 at 7, visibility 10.